Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has at least 30% battery and the phone's Bluetooth is on. Tap the watch's pairing or connectivity option, and on your phone, stay in the Bluetooth settings screen so you can accept a prompt. If the watch needs Wi-Fi, match the phone's active band. This prevents network conflicts. Once done, watch for the device name to appear on your phone and be ready to accept a connection request immediately. After the initial connection, you'll authorize audio access. Compare and confirm the pairing code or passkey to secure the link, and then accept permission requests on both devices so notifications and media audio are allowed. Make sure you enable the media audio profile on the phone's Bluetooth device entry and set the watch as the audio output if required. Once authorized, adjust volume and any in-watch audio routing options so sounds route from phone to watch as intended. To finish, test the connection by playing a short sound or sending a notification. Confirm you hear it through the watch and that media controls work. If you don't hear anything, restart both devices first, then recheck Bluetooth and permission settings. If problems persist, unpair and reinitiate pairing, and only perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the phone's Bluetooth off and on to clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.